Hello children. Now today we are going to start our pencil shading drawing. It's reddish. Topic is a reddish. Okay, write it and only pencil works we will do because of lockdown. You will not get material, so I'm trying to do more of the drawing only work to give to you, not craft work. And which is possible that craft work I can give to you. Okay, don't worry. So we will start only drawing. I told you so many times, drawing practice is very important. Any kind of the drawing, not only the vegetables or anything. I told you in the classes, anything's visible things, whatever object you can keep and draw, like a still life, live drawing. There is so many drawings are there. Okay, now today I have taken the topic of reddish. So you have to draw reddish picture. It's very easy, not a hard, but pencil shading is very important. Okay, so now we'll start the drawing. Now see carefully how I am drawing. Like that you also have to draw complete work and send me, so I can see where is the mistake. I can tell you there. So let's start. Now reddish. First placing is very important when we are doing the drawings. I told you in the class also, in drawing book when you are doing, it should be in the middle of the place. There is a place proper, not here and there. Okay. Now start. See, the pencils we have to catch, it's a little bit loose, not very tight, and light drawing. I told you every time, do the light drawing only. You can see light drawings. Now reddish has started. Which parts it is, you have to observe. When we are doing the reddish, and reddish is not very straight, so we are not going to use here scale or anything objective things. And when you are doing, it should be a pencil, should be a roll. Pencil rolling will be a start. Okay, few place it is a straight, few place it is a rolling part. It's the last parts of the root. Now I'm going to start the upper parts, which place we will get the leaf. Okay, which is the place of the leaf. First we have to place it of the leaf, and then after we'll start the drawing. How many leaf will come from this? Okay, this is the brook. It's almost I have showed as a it's brick. Okay, now we are starting the leaf. When we are drawing, this leaves also is not correct to very straight. Normally how you will see in the every leaf like this, normally we will draw, and one is the this shape of the leaf. Okay, we are not going to do, this is the reddish leaf. So reddish leaf, it will be a little bit different, bigger in the size. So see, in this we have to, pencil should be a light hand, and how it is rolling. I'm rolling, by rolling I'm doing the leaf completely of drawing. It's done one leaf. Now second leaf, and leaf also which is visible, that only we have to draw. This is called outline of a drawing. It's completely only the outline drawing. Now in the leaf we can see the inner part. This is okay, this is very, line is very thin, and too much is there, so many is there, not correct, same it will be a, so how it is going, see that one also. It's a light hand I am doing because I want to do here shading. I told before only, this is the pencil shading work. It's our wish, anyway we can make it. Okay, not this is only is you have to do, it is your wish also is there, you can make it. You can see the leaf how it is coming out inside the drawing also. Now maybe this is easy for you learning. In the book I am showing, in the class I will show this all on the board, and light shading and this all on the board I am unable to explain to you. Now this is the visibles, one half leaf only. Okay, in this also stems is there, one of the leaf. The drawing can change the leaf patterns. I told in the class that we can make as a folding whatever by drawing only, it's a visibles. Now If I will make a cross line, it will be look that leaf is a cross. Done. This is completely our outline is done. Now shading parts is there. First of all, the roots in the reddish, middle roots will be there. So we have to places. We have to give the first places of that. Now placing is going to finish. It's finished almost. And reddish, when it will be a from front side, it will be a little bit turn, we will see. So which is the place are you thinking we can keep it the turning? You can turn this one. Okay, now it is almost done our outline work. Now I'm going to start shading work. In the roots, when I have placed for you, it's light roots are there, light roots. So we have to complete this also first before shading. And roots only which is visible, that only you have to draw. Okay, the side one it is visible. Okay, only roots I am making. There is no place, I did not give any kind of the places. And roots, most of the downside will be there, upper side that much roots we can't see. It's done. Now I'm going to start the shading work. When the leaf parts near it, you have to you have saw it's a little bit darker place. Okay, so we have to make it by shading only. And when you are doing the shading work, I told in the class also, when you are doing hand control is very important. Hand controlling, you can see eyes should be a fix on the place, which place my pencil should be a run. Okay, and the drawing should be perfect on that place. It should be not move here and there. I told that when you are doing the drawing practice, eraser should be not used. And you can see I did not use anywhere eraser. And you also should not use the eraser. That much practice you have to do of the drawing. That is called practice of a drawing. So almost it is going to finish shading work also. You can see shading which place we are going, which is the place is making a dark. When anything will keep it's a dark place, little bit shadow will be there, that place will make a shading. Now in the leaf time, when we are doing the leaf work, we'll see the darkness in the corner places, which is the very corner place. Now near leaf we are going to do the dark place, which is the fold one, which is the downside. That place we have to make the darkness. Okay. Reddish is not a much of the shading work will be there. So what we will do now, we will give the outline of this picture, outline with the pencil only. Okay, no color, we are not going to use here any kind of the color. So outline also with the pencil only will give. When we are doing the pencil work, it is a light, dark and shade will be up here. Presently you have not a pencil of a HB6. I told you in the class what is the meaning of the HB2, HB6, this all pencil. So now I am going to make a dark with this pencil only. You can observe this drawing properly. Now drawing will be clear up here to you. It is what drawing kind, which kind of the drawing is there. Okay, this is also branches break. Now here is another branch which is the leaf has passed. But leaf, what is this middle parts, I'm not going to make a dark. only, which is important part, which is the hardest part of the this drawing, that only I am making a dark. And almost rolling time type of the drawing we have completed. The pencil is running and rolling, that all I have showed to you. Now you have to make the dark, so don't press much your pencil on the book, otherwise the next page I told you in the class, it will be a spoil your other page and you are unable to do the drawing there. It's look like a one leaf, so I'm going to divide with the dark pencil only. Okay, it's done. You can see the neatness, how neatness leaf it is appearing now. Now the same thing, same work we will do for the reddish also, outlining. Okay, done. This also is I'm making little bit down shading. Okay, so to will look neat and clean and beautiful as a reddish. Shading more dark here, little bit darker only will keep here. Done. Now our drawing almost, this is the reddish. Next again when our period will be there, that time you ready with your color pencils. The same picture we will do with the color pencils as will look it natural reddish. Okay, done. Bye.